Common nouns always need indefinite article in their singular forms. The is used to indicate a particular person or thing in the case of common nouns. Proper nouns generally do not take an article. We have been told that there are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U, but that is not true. Actually, there are 20 vowels. Now, there are certain categories, certain things before which the article the must come. We cannot use them without using article the. There are again certain exceptions, certain let us say nouns in front of which we are not supposed to use any article. Is that a U or an O? I am unable to read it. So the last part of speech, determiners. This is something new, for maybe new to you. Let us discuss them. The ninth part of speech, mostly they include other determiners, but new are a, an, and the, which are also known as articles. They usually are considered as adjectives as they modify noun or pronoun. The types, look at these now. The determiners: articles, demonstrative, possessive, and quantifiers. Articles a and the, demonstrative determiners which demonstrate this, that, these, those. Possessive: my, his, our, their. Quantifiers: one, all, each, many, and some. Now let us see the uses. Indefinite articles and definite articles. I hope you are aware about these two categories again. Indefinite articles, a and an. Common nouns always need indefinite article in their singular forms, like he reads a story, he reads an unusual story. So here story, common noun, that's why a story, and an unusual story. A is used before consonant sound and an is used before a vowel sound. There are some must known facts, must known uses. Let us see now. Look at these now, uses of a and an as indefinite articles. A university, a union, a useful book, etc. A $1 note, a one-man army. Here, an MA, a BA, an LLB, a BSc, an honest person, an hour ago. Now how? Like when we are using these indefinite articles, we have to pay attention to the sound of the noun or the next word. So here the letter is U, but the sound is Y. Here the letter is M, but the sound is M. Right. So we have been told that there are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U, but that is not true. These are the letters which show most of the vowels in English. Actually, there are 20 vowels, 12 pure vowels, and 8 diphthongs. So when we are using a and an, we have to look at the sound, not the letter. Here, see, an honest person. Though the letter is H, though it is a consonant, the sound begins with a vowel. So it is O, honest, not honest. As well as an hour ago. It is hour, not hour. Sometimes indefinite articles are used to refer the number one, each, or per. For example, I earned 1,000 rupees in that job. 1,000, to say 1,000, to tell 1,000 rupees, a is used. I have a car. In number I am saying I have one car. Instead of that I am saying I have a car. It goes 50 miles an hour. So per hour it is showed. Definite article, you know, definite article is one, that is the. Let us see its uses and the facts of the article the. The is used to indicate a particular person or thing in the case of common nouns. Proper nouns generally do not take an article. For example, the man is running, stealing the bike. Here, a particular man and a particular bike is referred. That's why the man and the bike. It is used for repetitive reference of a common noun in the same context. For example, I saw an elegant car. A beautiful lady was driving the car. The same car which is referred in the first sentence. Sometimes the is used to generalize a group or whole class. Like the dog is a faithful animal. It refers to the whole species of dog. To particularize a non-count noun, the is required before it. To particularize, to specify. For example, please return the money I lent you last year. So you are particularizing money, the specific money which you had lent to your friend. So please return the money I lent you last year. The is mandatory before a thing which is only one of a kind in universe. The moon is shining tonight, the sun, the earth, and so on. Article the must come before. Now there are certain categories, certain things before which the article the must come. We cannot use them without using article the. So in front of names of oceans, gulfs, seas and rivers like the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Persian Gulf, the Ganga, the Yamuna, etc. Names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Western Ghats, Sayadri, known for, etc. So names of mountain ranges, not a single mountain. If it is mountain ranges, then we use the in front of them. Next, names of a group of islands, the West Indies, the Andamans, etc. Names of holy books, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran, etc. Names of newspapers, the Times of India, the Indian Express, and so on. Names of countries with United States or islands, the United States of America. That's why we say the United States of America or the USA, the UK, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates or the UAE, the Philippines. Now there are again certain exceptions, certain let us say nouns in front of which we are not supposed to use any article, neither definite nor indefinite. Look at the examples now. These are the names of continents in front of which no article comes. Names of continents like Asia, Europe, Australia, Africa, South Africa, North America, Antarctica. So these are the continents and we should not use any article, a Asia or an Asia, an Europe, the Europe. No, they are independent. Names of countries, they do not take any article, not nor even the. So India, England, France, etc. Names of states, cities or towns, Maharashtra, Kolhapur, etc. Names of streets like Mahatma Gandhi Road, not the Mahatma Gandhi Road. Names of single mountains, for example, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is in the Himalayas. Names of languages, Spanish, Russian, English, no any article. But if you use the before them, then these nouns, they refer to the population of those languages. For example, the Spanish refers to Spanish population. The Russian, the English population. Names of sports, cricket, football, basketball, etc. Names of discipline, subject of studies, English, history, computer science, geography, etc. Now let us do exercise of, so the same thing, just pause the video and note down your answers in your notebook or on the paper. Be ready with your answers. I saw dot dot movie last night. You have to use the article a and the or no article. They are staying at dot dot hotel. I enjoyed dot dot DVD you gave me for my birthday. I do not like dot dot basketball. That is dot dot girl I told you about. I read dot dot amazing story yesterday. My brother does not eat chicken. Love is such beautiful thing. I was in Japanese restaurant. Restaurant served good food. Can you play guitar? Mount Everest is in Himalayas. That was important day in history. Which is longest river in world? Is it Amazon or Nile? I am poor in geography. I need egg, potato and milk for this recipe. Is that you or oh, I am unable to read it. I hope you have got some of the responses. Let us tally them. I saw a movie last night. You are not making reference to a specific one. So I saw a movie last night. If you are referring to a specific which your friend is mentioning, then you can say, yes, I saw the movie last night. They are staying at a hotel, not a specific. I enjoyed the DVD you gave me for my birthday. Here you are referring a specific DVD given on your birthday by a friend. That's why it is the. I do not like basketball. No article because it is a name of game. That is the girl I told you about. You are referring specifically. I read an amazing story yesterday. My brother does not eat chicken. Love is such a beautiful thing. No article before love because it is abstract noun. I was in a Japanese restaurant. The restaurant served good food. So you are referring a restaurant. A type is Japanese restaurant. And in second, you are referring the same restaurant. That's why you are using the restaurant. Can you play the guitar? So the instruments always take the before them. Mount Everest is in the Himalayas. That was an important day in history, not in the history. Which is the longest river in the world? Is it the Amazon or the Nile? I am poor in geography. Everywhere the is used because we are talking about the specific and one, like which is the longest river in the world, the Amazon or the Nile. I need an egg, a potato and milk for this recipe. And is that a U or an O? I'm unable to read it. So it is not like is that U or O, I'm not unable to read it. You are referring them as independent letters, so you have to use a and an.